Hey guys, Chaz from TPC, Top Picks with Chaz, and today I have another Amazon review for you. Please stay to the end of the video so you can see the wig on me. I did install the wig at the end. So this is the unboxing, and I'm showing you what comes with the wig. It has two stocking caps, and then here's the wig. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the curl pattern, HD lace, 13 by 6, just a beautiful, beautiful wig. Hey guys, so I installed the wig. What do you think? I love this wig. It is feeling good. It is bouncing. It's behaving. It's that 180 density, feeling like it's two. 13 by 6 closure, lace front, unprocessed virgin Brazilian hair, and it's moving. Is bouncing and behaving. Let me tell you something. I'm going to Mexico tomorrow, and I don't know if Mexico gonna be able to handle me with this hair now.